senor.
What's happening? So, quick update. For those of you that have been following along, TJ's still not done. For those of you that are just following along or just getting started, been working on a TJ to get it prepped for a Jeep Invasion event, and we've been up for the last like 2 weeks every night till probably 3:30, 4 o'clock in the morning. Seth Brown just left this morning at 7:30 this morning, worked all through the night, and we go to put fluid in the transmission and take off, and it no spinning. So replacing the slave cylinder, it's like what, 6 o'clock? 6:01. So if it's 6:45, we don't make it, it's not done, we're just gonna jump in Jeff's Jeep and go hit the event. So follow along. It's gonna be a lot of movement out there in the garage right now. Last night we fired this up at like, I don't know, 11, 12. Wasn't getting any fuel pressure, so the fuel pump was shot. Luckily we went and got another one, put it in, got fuel pressure, and then we ran out of fuel. So the new pump was not grabbing fuel down at the bottom of the tank. So now what Jeff is doing is replacing the original fuel pump with the correct one, because we grabbed one from a buddy that had one out of a Corvette, the whole fuel pump assembly sending unit. So we dropped it in, thought it was going to work, and it just didn't work the way we wanted. So he's replacing that now, and I am going to do this slave cylinder.
I've been up since, let's see, it's Saturday, so I've been up since Friday afternoon, about 3 or 4 Friday afternoon. So it's over 24 hours, but hey, you know, it's that graveyard life, baby. Like Chance was saying, we had this fuel pump right here, and it just wasn't doing it. So this was what the Jeep originally had in it, and so the fuel pump died. We went and got another one, so I'm just getting that button back up now and gonna get it tossed in the tank and see if we can make her run again.
Currently 6:49. I called it at 6:44. We got super close. Jeff was getting the fuel pump in and was finessing with it a little bit, couldn't quite get it, and then the transmission, we fought this thing for 9 hours last time, and it just we were about ready to take it out and redo the clutch alignment, and Jeff gave it one last push last time and it just dropped right in. So I was hoping, I had like this one, last breath, I was gonna try and get it going, and it just would not go. So we called it. We're gonna hop in Jeff's LJ, and we're gonna mob over downtown and go hang out with some people and check out some rigs. So stay tuned for some interviews with some cool rigs out of Jeep Invasion.
when I rolled upside down, this leg came out. And then it landed on that leg. And right here is the dent from my leg.
It started as a Jeep Sport, stripped down, soft top, plain,
Okay.
nothing.
Wow. So it's came a long ways.
It came a long ways.
We taught like, man, 30, 40 window of veterans how to weld, but had never welded before. So we taught them how to weld while we were building on this.
Okay.
We've got guys that have never put lift kits on, never modified a Jeep. They've had a stock Jeep.
How many guys do you think have welded on this?
It's in the 40 or 50 range.
Okay.